In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Just Eat app. First of all, launch open Just Eat application. You can see over here Just Eat application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like home, orders, Just Eat Plus, account. Tap on this option account that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to find two options, create account, login. Simply tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface. You'll be able to find three options to log in to your account. Continue with Google, Facebook, email. Simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to continue with email. For that, tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Now after you enter the email, what you can do is tap on this option, get verification code that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a login verification code will be sent to your email. For that, what you have to do is launch open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Just it has sent me the verification code. Simply tap on that email. Now in this email you'll be able to find the verification code, memorize this code, or in order to copy it simply long press on the code. Now tap on the option copy. Now the code will be copied. Now go back to the Just It application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. You can simply paste the code that we copied earlier. Now after you enter the verification code, tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Just It app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.